Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can convert JPG or PNG image to PDF file for free. And so for that, please do finish watching this video till the very end. So please open first your browser that you have already signed in your Google account with. So I'll be opening my Microsoft Edge. And then once your browser is already open, all you need to do is just to visit the Google homepage. So I'll just be typing here in the URL section, the google.com. And once you're in the Google homepage already, please make sure again that you have already signed in your Google account. Once you have already signed that in, then please go proceed with this icon. This is the Google Apps icon. Once you click on this one, you will be shown here all the applications from Google. So please proceed with Docs. And then you can also make a direct search with Google Docs website in the URL section. So once you have already clicked on this Docs option here, please select this blank document to start a new document. So once you have already opened a new document, all you need to do is just to add a insert an image or insert the image that you want to be converted into PDF file. So please click on this insert button here and then select the image button or image option. So you can select this. Let me just quickly hover my cursor into this upload from computer option. So you can also have this drive, photos, camera, or by URL. So just click on this upload from my computer option, and then select the location that you want to get the picture from, and then select the picture that you want to be converted into PDF. And so from here, we have now already added the image. So you can also resize this one according to your preference. And then if you want, or if you're done now editing this and you want now to save this one, all you need to do is just to select this file option here, and then you will get this download option. Now here you will be shown with all the file types. You can have the Microsoft Word, the open document format. So I'll be selecting this PDF document since I want this image to be converted into PDF file. So once you click on this one, it will start now downloading for the PDF version. So once you click on this open, you will now be seeing the PDF file from the image that we have just converted. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're gonna convert an image to a PDF file. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.